Stopping at a gas station under those flickering fluorescent lights just to wipe down your hazy headlights is a clear sign of a bigger problem. Your old bulbs are dying. They are losing their punch. You need something that restores your vision and your confidence on the road. When I opened this kit from the team at Mars Auto, the first thing that grabbed me was the genuine attention to detail. Most companies just toss a bulb and a cheap cardboard tube and call it a day. Not here. They included actual work gloves right in the box. This is a game changer for any DIY project. If you have ever done your own car maintenance, you know that the tiniest bit of oil from your thumb can ruin a high-end bulb. It creates a hot spot on the glass that leads to a premature burnout. By including those gloves, the brand is essentially giving you a masterclass in installation before you even start. It shows a level of respect for the product and the person installing it. Then I got my hands on the bulbs themselves. These are high-intensity discharge units, and you can feel the difference the moment you pick one up. The weight is the first thing you notice. They feel heavy and metallic and incredibly well put together. This is the meat and potatoes of the upgrade. The base where the power connects is solid. There is no wiggle or cheap plastic feel. It looks like a precision-engineered component designed for a luxury vehicle. The glass itself is stunningly clear. When you look at the internal structure, you see why these are rated for such high output. They're pushing 35 watts and 45 volts, which is a lot of power for such a compact package. This means the light isn't going to be some weak yellowish glow. It is going to be a piercing beam that fills the road ahead. I love that they focused on a high voltage design because that is what gives you that modern, high-end look. It makes the car look newer. It makes driving feel much safer. The installation manual is right there too, keeping things simple. You don't need a degree in electrical engineering to figure this out. It is a straightforward swap that yields immediate results. My first impression is that these are a massive step up from standard equipment. They feel like professional-grade tools rather than just cheap replacement parts. You get that sense of quality when you see how the bulb sits in the housing. It is perfectly aligned. It is built to take a beating from road vibrations without failing. That is the kind of reliability you need when you are miles from home in a rainstorm. The light output promised here is intense. It is designed to blare out into the darkness and reveal every obstacle in your path. Seeing these for the first time makes me want to get them into a vehicle. There is a certain satisfaction in holding a piece of hardware that was clearly designed with performance in mind. Everything from the protective packaging to the sturdy connectors tells the same story. This is about taking control of your visibility and making sure you have the best possible view of the world around you. They feel absolutely great, and I cannot wait to see them in action.